play Legos with my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing this challenge that I scored. And it's where you take two of these, your dog's favorite toy, which is a sock, then you place it there, cover it with a bowl, then you swap them around, and then your dog will choose what one he wants. So let's get right into this video. So guys, let's find another item that my dog will like. First I'm going to get the bowl. So these bowls so there's that one bowl. But step away. Step away from them. Or there will be a little, well, that will be this. Another creamer bowl. So here's Wolf. What bowl do you choose, Wolf? Wolf. What bowl? What bowl? Wolf, choose a bowl. This one or this one? Choose the bowl. Choose. Wolf. Wolf. No, you want this one or this one? Wolf. Hold on. This is going great, guys. He chooses this one. Yay, there's your prize. There's nothing under there. That's fine. Oof. It's a sock. Your sock. Your sock toy. We're going to be doing a food challenge.